Hey y'all. I'm high. I'm high, but today I'm gonna do a little mini vlog. It's actually not early. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. My day started at like 6:30. I went to work and I left work early because I was supposed to be there till 6. I left at 2 and I went grocery shopping because I plan on cooking later. If you know me, you know I do not cook for real, but I'm trying to learn. So I'm doing that later, but right now it's 82 degrees. And if you live in Ohio, you know it do not be 82 degrees in April. Like, we've been getting snow. We've been getting 4 seasons in 1 week. But 82 is the highest that it's been in a while. So I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the weather. I'm gonna go probably read and yeah, just vibe outside. So I'm about to get in the shower and make myself look a little presentable because I have on work clothes basically. So excuse me, I will catch y'all in a few. Okay, so I'm ready now. Yeah, y'all can't really see me yet. I have on some clear Crocs at the moment because all the lighting be doing this to me. Whoa, am I really that light? Definitely need to go get some sunlight. What was I saying? But yeah, I'm ready now. I gotta adjust these settings and figure out why the lighting keep doing that, but I just wanted to show y'all that if I take time and effort, anything is possible. Okay. So I'm in the car, obviously, and I am on my way to my destination. The person behind me got their windshield wipers on. I don't understand. I need to mind my business, but yeah, I gotta listen to my music when I drive, so I will let y'all know when I get there because I don't have a stand for my camera and this is dangerous. I live around college students. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all. Oh my god, y'all. There's so many people walking past me. I don't know when I'm gonna get used to this one. Like, look, just watch all these people walk past. And then they gonna stop right here. Okay, anyways, I don't know if I could park here, and this is my overthinking kicking in. The sign says 2-hour parking from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is 5:59, but then the sign under it say no parking 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. So can I park here or no? Like, if I come back to a ticket, I'm gonna be upset. It is what it is. Okay, so I'm here. I always have this idea that when I go places, I should be the only one there. But that's not the case. This is not just my world, apparently. But I finally made it here after walking by myself anxiously. 1 second. Okay, so I don't know where it cut off at, but yeah, I did say I got here. There is a lot of people. I'm used to having people with me. Like, I'm trying to start going out by myself more because I be anxious a lot, so I'm trying to get out of that. So this is me starting to do that. I don't really like that there's a lot of people here because I don't like, Since I'm so anxious, I always gotta be watching my surroundings, so I can't really sit here and read because people keep walking past me, so like that make me anxious. Then even just walking across the street, where I had to park at, that made me anxious. I just be anxious, y'all. But I'm about to chill here for a minute and I'll get back to y'all later. So I am dropping this trash off. I accidentally let this sit in my car while I was at that park. So yes, it do stink. This is why I need to stop smoking, because I forgot it was in here. Like, how did I forget it was in here? Like, I noticed it once I pulled up to the park. I'm like, wow, you dumb bitch. But it is what it is. So y'all probably ain't gonna believe me, but I got back into lazy mode with a quickness. Like, I only been here like 10 minutes. It probably been like 20, but like 10 minutes. And now I'm about to cook some alfredo, and I'm gonna be going back and forth on the phone with my mom, because this is her recipe and I don't cook for real. So this is really my first time actually trying to cook. So we're gonna see how it goes, but yeah. Show y'all my ingredients. See, garlic powder, and I'm making the sauce by hand, so it's not the store-bought. This tripod ain't good for nothing. So yeah. So I am done. I had to put it in here so I can mix it up because it wasn't all gonna fit in the pot. But I ain't gonna lie. I already tried it. Ooh, almost fell out the chair. I already tried it. And I did my thing. Alright, y'all, so I just ate and it smacked. It probably don't look that appetizing because I forgot to put oil in the water with the noodles, so the noodles had they had stuck together, but it was still good. It was still good. Yeah, what is it? I'm not really about to do much else. I'm probably about to go to sleep because I gotta work early again tomorrow. So I ain't really plan on there being much to record anyways. And yeah, thank you for watching. Stay positive, stay happy, stay woke, and subscribe.